Let's see how you can easily send SMS broadcast and handle the replies using the power of AI agents. So here I'm in a demo account and we have already connected a phone number from Twilio. So here you can easily connect a phone number from the Twilio via settings, channels, and go to SMS. And if you click on learn more, here you have a guide on how to grab the phone number from Twilio and also grab these details, account ID and host token, and simply connect it on our platform. So here we have already done it. And if you want to use AI to handle the replies from the customers, you also need to connect the API keys from any of these AI models as well. For example, if you want to use OpenAI, you have to grab the API keys of the OpenAI platform. You can use Google Gemini, Cloud, XI, DeepSeek as well. So here again, if you click on OpenAI, here we already have connected the API keys, but if you click on learn more, you will see the guide on how to grab the API keys from this particular link and create a new secret key and connect it on our platform. So here let's imagine we want to use the OpenAI right here. All right, and so here to send the SMS broadcast campaigns, you need to have a list of customers with their phone number as well. So if you already have a list, you can simply go to the contact section over here and simply use the import contacts over here, and you will be prompted to upload a CSV file of contacts with all their details: name, email address, phone number. You can even include other details as well, like address or any other specific details you have from the customers, and upload right here and save it in the customer's profile as well. And when you send SMS broadcast campaigns, you can actually use those specific customer variables as well. So if you don't have a customer list, you can actually build a simple chatbot flow automation which can run on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, or even on the website to collect a particular customer's details like phone number. For example, here in the flow section, here we have a flow IG holiday promotions demo. So here in this particular flow, we also collect a particular customer's phone number as well. So here phone number right here, collected and save in the phone field as well. So if they went through this particular flow, that means we already have the phone number as well. From there we can actually send any sort of SMS broadcast campaign as well. If you go to the unified inbox, here we have a user from Instagram who have already went through that specific flow, and here they have provided their phone number as well. So let's imagine we want to send them a broadcast campaign to this specific customer only. So here, just to differentiate this particular customer from all the other users who have the phone number, let me add a tag over here. So when you import contacts, you can also add specific tags as well. For example, let me add a tag SMS. So here I added the tag SMS. So I want to send the SMS campaigns only to this particular person. All right. Let me actually create the SMS message we are going to send to the user. So here, let's imagine we want to send this specific message. Hi, first name. It's this particular plumbing company. It's been a while. Just wanted to check everything running smoothly with your plumbing, or need a hand with anything. Just a reminder or something like messages. So here, let me send this message. So let me create a new flow and let me say as plumbing broadcast. All right, click continue, and here you have to send the SMS. So choose message type SMS, and here you have to add content text. So we want to send a simple text message to them. So let me copy this message right there and add that message. So here, if you want to call a particular customer's name, you have to delete this one over here and type a curly bracket. Here you have the option to choose any variables of a particular customer. So in this case, let me choose the first name over here. All right, so this will be sent as a broadcast to a particular customer, and when they reply to this message, we also want to handle their messages using the power of AI as well. So in that case, you have to go to the AI hub over here, and here you can actually create any sort of AI agents you like. So here we already have an AI agent for this specific company, so it's Flow Plumbing. So here we have all the information about that particular company right here, and here in the AI tools you have the option to upload specific PDF files and use those files to respond to the users as well. And you can even collect particular customers details through the AI functions as well. So once you create those AI functions tools over there, you can simply add those right there. So here, if you go to the AI tools, here you have the option to upload any sort of files, AI functions. You can create any AI functions to collect specific customer details right here as well. And once you have created those files and functions, you can go back to the AI agents and choose the AI agent. Simply switch on, activate those specific functions, so that when this particular AI agent is active, it will simply work accordingly. So here you have to first make this particular AI agent as the default agent over here. All right, and now go to settings over here and choose integrations and switch on AI auto reply as well. So this one will make sure the default agent we set up will handle all the user messages right there. Alright, so now we already have created the flow as well, which is this one. And when we send the broadcast to a user and when they reply, now this particular AI agent will kick in and respond to the users. So now let's see how to send a broadcast over here. Go to the broadcast section right here and click on send. So here we want to send a broadcast on the SMS. So here click continue, and what flow to send. So here we already have created a flow named as SMS plumbing broadcast. So this is the broadcast message we want to send. So in this case, let me choose that particular flow, SMS plumbing broadcast. And here when to send this message. So you can send now or schedule for later as well. And here who are the people you want to send this message to. So choose a tag is, so we remember we added a tag SMS because I want to send that particular message to only that specific contact. Currently it says receivers 18, as you can see here in the top left, but once I select the tag is SMS, it should show only one person over there. Choose SMS. Alright, and click save. See, it says receivers only one because we want to send the SMS only to that particular person. And here click send. So receivers 1, continue. Alright, so it has been sent. So now if you go to the unified inbox, and here this is the person we send the SMS to, and here the SMS has been sent to this particular person right there. I'm in the mobile phone right here. This is the phone number connected on the platform, and here we receive the same SMS right here. So now if a particular customer reply to this message saying, hey, thanks for asking, but we don't have any plumbing needs for now. So here as a customer, let me send this, hey, thanks for asking, but we don't have any plumbing needs for now, and send this. Let's see what sort of a response we are receiving right there. So here we receive the response. It says, no problem, thanks for the update. If anything comes up, we are here 24/7. You can book at this particular website address, or it also provide the phone number to book the appointments through the phone call as well. So here, even if a particular customer asks any other question, it will simply respond as well. For example, let me ask about what services do you provide. So here I ask about the services they provide, and it simply respond to me saying we handle residential plumbing. These are the services right there. Simple as that. All these messages are handled by the bot right here. But if you send a message from this unified inbox, the bot will be paused and the conversation will be moved to the human folder instead of bot. So here if you go to the bot folder, you see the conversation. So now if I send a message right here as a human agent, a random message to the customer, so the bot active is gone. And if you go to the all conversation and go back to the bot folder, we no longer see that particular conversation. Instead, if you go to the human folder, you will see that particular conversation right there, and the customer will receive any sort of messages sent by the humans as well. Here you can also easily transfer the conversation back to the bot by clicking on this icon as well. So now it's transferred to the bot right here. Simple as that. And that's a quick video on how you can easily send AI SMS broadcast and handle replies using the power of AI agents. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.